Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today I'm currently in Fort De Soto camping grounds in the Fort De Soto park. Fort De Soto boat ramp is nearby. Shell Key is also nearby, which have camping there. I'll put a link on that somewhere so you guys can check it out. Although I'm gonna visit it during this video. I'm gonna visit Shell Key. You guys can see some of that. There's a beach called North Beach. I'm seeing if I can check that out. There's an old fort, old battery fort. Most likely we'll be shooting a drone towards that so you guys can see it. And let me show you guys my campground. Check it out. This is where I'm gonna be staying at tonight. My friend Jason is with me. I got my boat set up right here. And check this out. This is the best part. I have a waterfront spot. This is phenomenal. I just can't believe I got lucky enough to get a waterfront spot. Check it out. It's beautiful. It might rain from over there. I'm still gonna go out in the water and see what I can do. My friend Jason is over there. You can barely see him doing some fishing. If he catches something, I'm gonna put it on the screen what he caught. Hopefully he catches something. And let's see what else. Well, right now I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out the drone, shoot it from here so you guys can see this section, the surroundings, and then I'm gonna head to the water.
Take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
I think that footage came out pretty good, and I was able to catch my friend on the kayak. You guys saw with the drone. I was on, messing around with him. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get the boat, set it up to take it out, and go in the water. And I'm thinking about checking Shell Key real quick, North Beach, the surrounding areas with the drone and everything else. There is a restaurant which I've been trying to go to, and I keep forgetting to go to. There's a restaurant not too far from here. You can actually get into from the water inland. I want to see if I can check that out as well. Let's see what else. Huh? Let me get right to it. All right, it's time to roll out. My boat is semi-amphibious, so this is why I like it. All right, out we go. So much for a dramatic shot. I had to come back for the camera. So it appears to be low tide, because right now the water is very low, and I was walking on that gooey water. It was kind of slimy. So now I'll be able to get out there, go to Shell Key, and show you guys around. All right, everybody, I am finally moving. I got into deep enough water. I want to go that way because I've been to Shell Key before. I want to check out that area. Let's see what's about. Yeehaw! Here we go. We're moving. There's some abandoned boats over there. I want to check it out. This is gonna be fun. I arrive at the boat. It does appear to be abandoned. Like it's been there for a while. Like it's been there for quite a while. Yeah. It is abandoned. Well, guys, as I'm here, let me show you guys this area. It's quite large. It's like a big basin within the park. Let's see if I can stand up. Carefully, I don't fall. Show you guys around. I'm trying to keep balanced. I don't want to fall. Oh, I'm about to hit the boat. Oh no! Oh no! Let me back up. Backing up. There we go. We're good. All right. I caught up with my friend Jason. Let's get an update on the fishes. Oh, there's a birdie. What's the birdie doing there? So, What we got so far? Any bites? Any fish bites?
Yep, when I got a trout on film. Got to see trout on film. We didn't get that shark or tarpon that was here right when I got out here.
That's a shame.
I think I've got the dolphin on film.
Nice.
Still got him. So we're just trying to plug along these grass-lined flats. A little bit of sand over here, mixed with grass. The birds are picking up the pilchards left and right. Yeah, we're gonna connect again.
That's nice.
Yes,
All right.
sir.
Glad I caught up with you.
Yes.
All right, so now I'm gonna head to show you guys the what's the word? The boat ramp real quick, and then the bridge, Shell Key, North Beach, maybe Skyway Bridge. I don't know. I haven't decided that on that. Let me get right to it. All right, so here is the Fort De Soto boat ramp right next to the park where I'm camping. There's a bridge next to it, and that's where I'm headed. I believe there's a restaurant at the end over there inside the island. I want to see if I can find it. All right, it is quite shallow in this area. I wasn't expecting that. It must be low tide, so I had to take it slow on my way there. All right, bit shallow, unfortunately. A lot of seaweed getting caught on the propeller. That also sucks, but I'm still gonna try to see if I can make it. Yeah, it is too shallow. I'm getting caught on the seaweed. I guess I will not be able to showcase the restaurant. Nonetheless, I'm gonna head to Shell Key. That's next, in North Beach. Alrighty, I made the Shell Key. Currently parked right there, in that corner. I'm at the edge of Shell Key right now. And right now what I'm planning to do is shoot the drone from over there, so you guys can see everything. I think it'll be fun.
You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Okay, everybody, so I was able to capture Shell Key and North Beach as well. And I noticed one thing. See this channel right here that crosses from Fort De Soto all the way to the Gulf? This channel is usually, the waters are usually very, very wild and I cannot cross it. But today, they're very calm and I want to go all the way over there, like really, really far. Shoot the drone from over there, you guys can see me in the water. I think that'll be pretty cool. Let me go and jump on the boat. All right, so this is where I'm at. I think it's all the way over there. Woo! All right, so the waters are a little choppy over here. I don't want to shoot the drone in this area. The wind's gonna take me away. The drone will fall. I don't want that. I don't want that because I want to continue to make videos. I don't want to buy another drone. Well, guys, I think I might go to the bridge over there. Let me show you. You guys see that big bridge over there? See if I can actually capture it. That one. I want to see if I can reach it. I think it'll be pretty cool. Let me get to that. Woohoo! Yeah. Bridge, baby. Yee! Water's a little choppy though. Look at that. We were racing, but I'm losing. I'm losing the race. No. That was pretty cool. All right, I'm on my way to that bridge. I want to see if I can capture it. All right, so I finally reached the bridge. That's that one. Looks very nice. I'm gonna go ahead and shoot the drone from here, so it'll run towards the entirety of the bridge, at least most of it. I'm gonna try to catch most of it. Yeah, get to that.
bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here.
Okay, I believe I was successful in capturing the bridge, which was pretty cool. Although I gotta be honest, it was farther away than I thought, so it took a while to fly there. So you guys might have noticed that I fast forwarded the footage a little bit. So now what I'm gonna do is head back to the campsite, because I gotta be honest with you guys, it is very hot here today, and it's starting to take a toll on me. I'm gonna go back to the campsite, relax a little bit, might take a shower, wait for the sunset, eat some dinner, and conclude the video, guys. It's coming up next. I'm on my way back, and the water's a little choppy right now. Woo! It's bouncy. I'm bouncing around. Boing, 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 boing. All right. On my way back to the campsite. There's some dolphins. That's nice. I was on my way back to the campsite and I saw some dolphins. I turned off the engine. I want to see if I could capture it, and thankfully I did. Anyway, now I'm heading back to the campsite. I am exhausted. Well, guys, this will be the end of our video, so thank you much for watching. Right now, the sunset is just perfect. I'm going to go ahead and shoot the drone to it. As you guys can see, if I can shoot it up. See you guys in the next one.
You and me were meant to be.